Love with the little sun, everywhere you go, everywhere you're running. You never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. Give a little love, a little sun, everywhere you run. They never say a word, even when it hurts. Everywhere you go, everywhere you're smiling. You make it look easy. I don't understand how you can love me the way that I am. You give a little love with a little sun, everywhere you go, everywhere you run.
Please consider visiting Wrexham. It's a proud team honored to be a team. You have to mislead.
So that day I was hooked. Because I normally go to meet when I come out. I got Retford sign. I also written a sign saying Wimbledon couldn't succeed.
Any difference to anyone else?
Local agencies that come to do training and you get
Just drop in that goal for us, please.
has got that ability. The goalkeeper's got to be one you feel can produce a twin save.
But some makes a mistake high on the pitch. There's other stages that can get them out of shit further down the line. When the keeper makes it's probably a Premier League gone, but a lot of players high level again at the time. This year, I tell me I need to be careful because all these knocks to heads later on the line, that could be not knowing anything now. But
sure that my
Leah, I really love Goldstone. That's my drug, let's show them it all.
to launches at Long Mullen Chasing. He's beaten to it though, next left back.
Tonight, we unravel the truth behind rumours surrounding Alex Hamilton. Keeping his own identity secret, he installed a business associate as chairman.
Wants it to be back in club hands and get months and months and months for that. And look, my frustration is that
In the hope that somebody would hit him, so that he could make great political capital out of fact that we were football hooligans and all that.
That really was probably, I had like the trust for what? You know, people work so hard.
There's been an issue that's followed the club through all the years that the fans have been in control. You know, they're trying to get them for it. It's not getting it out in the slightest.
Sometimes you were bad, but low. Really low, because you knew we didn't have the money to get players. We knew players weren't getting.
I can't believe it. I don't know how you are such a kid. Oh, yeah, and that's amazing, isn't it?
What's happening now for me is reward.
Wrexham AFC on to the next drop down
The NFL architects have put together for us.
Wow. That is a good headline.
just one step. Patient period.
Well, we are up to set up, but at least do it.
But the English kept appearing over again, tall, earthy sense, by which I mean in Wales resisted these invasions, but also is whoever the last for a reason.
Cooking today, we're joined by the co-chairman of the North Wales Football Club, the Wrexham Red Dragon. Are ready?
Ready? Yeah. Excited. Actually, you're not just an amazing lost translator, you're a journalist.
I'm a journalist, yeah, I live in DC. Then you guys say Powell?
Powell.
Powell, East End.
Who's your father? Darlington, see?
He's a born father.
What does it sound like if you said this?
Something, okay. Okay, I don't mind. What guy?
It's 80% gravel and 20% broken glass, which means you appreciate the gravel.
Who's taking the picture, right?
My dad, actually. If you zoom in,
who gets the chair?
Found myself smiling more. The moment you leave, I feel down again. I talk to myself on the floor just to feel less alone. I swear that I'm trying my best. You tell me the stress shouldn't be a friend. I wonder where I'll end up next on the corner of hope. So hold my hand tight for a minute. I'll let you know when to let go. You give a little love with a little sun everywhere you go, everywhere you run.